All right, you guys, so we are back with another frontal install, bone straight middle part, but oh, it's a closure though. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with an actual brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Vivi Babi Wig. They sent me this 24-inch straight lace closure wig. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig. So listen, we're gonna try to make this fleeky and give it the frontal vibes, okay? So we're using a little bit of glue to apply the wig today as well, but of course we don't need that much. Just a line of glue, just 4 inches long. That's about it. All right, so my friend has really long hair, but listen, I'm not worried about it. No thread, no needle. I'm just gonna stick that cap right on top. And because this is a lace closure wig, I'm not gonna worry about doing the whole ball cap method because it's unnecessary. All right, so I'm gonna put a line of glue right under the stocking cap just so it doesn't slide back. All right, so now that the stocking cap is on and nice and secure, let's go ahead and apply this glue so we can stick on this lace closure. All right, so the wig is not even on and I can tell it's gonna look really natural and really nice. So when I got the wig, I had to bleach the knots, but I didn't have to do much plucking, just minor plucking. And I don't like to pluck closures that much anyway because it's easy to make it look a little over plucked and a little bald. So just a little bit of plucking, bleached the knots, and I tinted the lace. All right, now for this style, now we're going with the bad bitch middle part. You already know what's going on. So I have my tropical root setting foam and I'm gonna use this to style and mold the hair. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put you stylists on game that are just getting into lace closures, probably haven't even dabbled into frontals yet. In order to make your closures look like frontals, okay, you gotta treat it like a frontal. You gotta pluck it, you gotta bleach it, you gotta do the baby hairs, you gotta treat it like a frontal. So before I started doing frontals, or actually, I think I was already doing frontals at this point. I was still doing closures, but my closures always just looked like closures. Like, I would never pluck the part, I would never do baby hair, and it would just look like a box. So once I learned to treat my closures like frontals, then my closures started looking better than ever. All right, so now that everything is done, let's go ahead and sit her under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Then we can finish off this style. Okay, so the closure is looking really good, flat, natural, real frontally. So now let's comb out the top. Sometimes the tropical roots can make the hair a little bit hard, but it doesn't make it flaky, so it is okay. Now we can start to flat iron the top and finish off the hairstyle. All right, so now that we have the hair nice and straight, I'm gonna take my scissors and cut some light layers in the front. Yes, ma'am. You already know what time it is. Let's pull out our flyaway tamer so we can lay down all those cowlicks and flyaways. Okay, so this install was really easy, really quick. I love me a good little lace closure, man. So quick and easy. So once again, thank you so much, Vivi Babi Wig, for sponsoring this video. And this wig, I will say, is really soft and really full, and I would definitely recommend this company if you want this exact unit. So if you're interested in purchasing, I'll put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.